Neo-Lamarckism, the concepts and theories regarding the origin and evolution of organisms so far discussed are not totally satisfied. Theories which are accepted today may be wrong tomorrow, and many of the concepts and theories are modified and changed after deeper researches have been carried out in course of time. Similarly, the theories of Lamarckism and Darwinism have been discussed by many scientists, and the shortcomings are shown and improved. We shall now discuss the new developed theories of Lamarckism and Darwinism. Lamarckism, also known as the theory of inheritance of acquired characters, can be defined as the changes in structure or function of any organ occur during the lifetime of an individual in response to changes in the environmental surroundings. This is inherited by its offspring and keeps on adding up over a period of time. The changes are because of use and disuse as demanded by the environmental pressure. Lamarckism has many drawbacks. This is evident from the experiments carried out by Weismann, in which he mutilated the tails of white rats and mated them, but found no loss of tail in succeeding generations. Muller experimented the role of X-rays in producing heritable variations in Drosophila. That revealed the changes in the chromosome structure. Likewise, C. Auerbach, in collaboration with Robinson and Carr, produced heritable changes in Drosophila by using a chemical mutagen, master gas. Limitations of Lamarckism, as were shown by many researchers, led to the formation of a new school of thought that support evidences in support of Lamarckism. Thus, Neo-Lamarckians prove that, number 1, germ cells are influenced by the environmental changes. Number 2, germ cells may carry acquired or somatic variations to the offspring. Number 3, germ cells may be affected directly by the environmental pressures. Number 4, somatic traits are the product of nature and nurture, that is, genes and environment interaction. This infers that environment affects the gene expression of organisms. Thus, we have seen that the difference in viewpoint of Lamarckism and Neo-Lamarckism was that Lamarck believed in the direct action of environment, which he thought was responsible for achieving that perfection of the individual. Neo-Lamarckians modified the concept. They are of the view that a considerable time period is required to act up to the level of germ cells that produce visible and invisible traits. Let's try to see how Neo-Darwinism and Darwinism differs. Number one point of difference. Unit of evolution is a population, not species, as is mentioned in Darwinism, because species are subdivided into local populations. Number two, it is the gene pool of the population that evolves and not the individual level. Number three, differences among individuals in a population are the consequences from accumulation of mutations and recombination of genes due to independent assortment, crossing over, and fertilization. These reasons of variations are not known to Darwin. Understanding of modern theory of evolution needs knowledge of molecular genetics. Students shall attempt to know the basic knowledge of it, without which they will face handicap in understanding the theory.